Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are fully ready to run your first 5k or beat your personal best. I'm talking here about activities in the Runna app. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually start a 5k plan in Runna, like fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, start the setup itself by opening the Runna app. Basically, we're just gonna open it, wait for it till it fully opens. So if you are new to app, get started or just sign in, create your own account. If you have an old account, just log in. Well, the app will ask about your experience level. Just be honest, this helps Runna create the right plan for you. Don't even try to lie or something. So as for the other settings, when asked about your goal, you can select 5k from the distance options. You will then choose your target time or just finish for beginners, how many days per week you want to train, your preferred long run day. Irona will offer you plans for beginner, intermediate, advanced, or even elite runners. Pick the level that matches your experiences and go ahead. So basically here you can even record your workout, activities, record run, community, plan, whatever you actually like, just go ahead. You can even pick from here. You can pick easy run, next, next, then next, done. Set up basically your distance and your duration. You can set up 5k from here, then duration. For example, 15 minutes or 30, 44. It depends on you. You can then tap continue, for example. Please enter recent personal best. It all depends on you and your data, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.